From their humble beginnings to their now world-dominating fame, video games have grown a lot in all these years. They've made many leaps and bounds to become one of the most profitable mediums in the world. My name is Producer Guy Phil, and I'm here to educate you in no particular order of 5 big innovations in video games. Starting off with number 1, we have the Magnavox Odyssey. Man, raise your hand if you had one of these as a kid. Yeah, me neither. Us as gamers owe many thanks to Ralph Baer. The man brought us the first home console in the Magnavox Odyssey. Sure, it wasn't glamorous, but it was a video game you could play at home. They were simple games like tennis and hockey. Sure, you needed screens on your TV, but without the Magnavox Odyssey, you would not be playing the console you have at home. So thank you, Ralph Baer, you beautiful man you. Mwah! At number 2, we have the face that runs the place of Nintendo. It's me, Mario! You can definitely attribute Nintendo with saving the video game industry. Fact. But the impact Mario has had in that is unparalleled. His games were so well done and enjoyable, Nintendo marketed him as their face. Mario over the years has grown up to be a global icon, starring in many games, TV shows, and his own movie. But let's skip that last part. Without him, you wouldn't have other mascots like Sonic and Crash Bandicoot. We owe it all to that lovable plumber. With number 3, we move from the home market to on the go, and that is portable gaming. Being told that you could play video games as a kid on the go is just mind-blowing. How many hours of Tetris did you pour into the car rides, or how long did you spend trying to catch all the Pokemon? With all that time spent, you could probably have a degree in something that your mom would happily have on her fridge. From the Game Boy all the way to the mobile phone, where Candy Crush, Angry Birds, and Clash Royale rule the market, you can't deny that portable gaming has helped shape the video game industry. We jump ahead at number 4 to one of the most popular aspects of gaming, and that is online multiplayer. Remember the X-Band? Yeah, me neither. Again, it introduced the idea of playing games with friends via a telephone line. Fast forward to games like Halo, Call of Duty, and Gears of War, where epic multi-person real-time battles can take place. Games like these help shape the mold of being able to play with friends and others all over the world. Heck, even as you watch this video, there's online gaming happening right now. The access we have to other gamers has never been this easy. Lastly, at number 5, we have everyone's favorite downloadable content, or simply DLC. This ought to make the comment section so interesting. Whether it's additional cars in Rocket League or more characters in Super Smash Bros., DLC can be used for good. However, some companies have abused this and made it so gamers have to buy DLC to complete games. Dirty, dirty move. DLC, when done correctly by simply enhancing the gameplay experience for a small price, can be a good thing. Whether you like it or not, it's here to stay, and you can't deny the impact it's had on gaming. Those were our 5, so let us know some more big innovations in video games we missed in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like these. I'm Producer Guy Phil, and I will see you in the next one. Stay classy.